Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable battery saver on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are looking for the method to activate this feature, and then you can watch this video till the end. First of all, please open the settings menu, and then you can select battery and device care option. And then here you can select the first option, and then you can select power saving mode. After that, activate this feature by simply pressing this button. Okay, and then the battery saver on your device is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate battery saver on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.